Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are the key components and features of SAC dashboards: interactive charts and graphs, smart insights, storytelling, predictive analysis, financial performance management, human resources analysis, sales and marketing analysis. Welcome to the Page 1 Claims Intake and Filing Trend Dashboard, your frontline command center for understanding how insurance claims are flowing into the system. Whether you're in claims operations, policy design, customer support, or finance, this page offers a 360-degree view into claim volumes, customer segments, and the financial exposure you're managing every single day. Let's begin right at the top, with 5 key performance indicators that set the stage. First, we have the total claim amount filed, currently at 51 million. This is the total value of claims submitted by policyholders, the clearest measure of financial risk currently under assessment. For finance teams, this figure is essential in forecasting liabilities, maintaining claim reserves, and understanding market-facing risk at a glance. Next to that, we see the total claim dispersed, now at 41 million. This amount reflects the actual payouts made, what has moved from potential exposure to real financial impact. Comparing this to the filed amount helps us understand throughput efficiency and payout velocity. Then we have the total claim amount pending, which stands at 10 million. This is the gap, a financial backlog of claims that are still under processing, waiting for documents, assessments, or approval. For operations and service teams, this is your focus area. The space where customer anxiety lives and trust is either strengthened or strained. Moving forward, we have total customers at 5,000. This number reflects the number of unique individuals engaging in the claims process. For customer success teams, this metric is a direct signal of how widely your policy benefits are being activated and how many service experiences are unfolding in real time. Finally, we have average claims per day, currently at 33. This is your team's daily rhythm, a key indicator of processing demand. Claims managers and workforce planners use this to identify volume spikes and plan capacity ahead of seasonal peaks or special events. Now, let's explore how this volume is distributed across regions, claim types, and customer demographics. To the left, the number of claims by region is visualized through a horizontal bar chart. The West region leads with 14,493 claims, followed by East, South, and North. This regional breakdown gives leadership teams and local managers a clear sense of claim concentration, pointing to either high policy penetration or potential regional risk events like weather patterns, infrastructure issues, or fraud zones. Just beside that, we have a donut chart showing claims by type. Each segment, auto, health, life, and travel, represents a slice of your product footprint. Auto and health currently lead, showing that customers are frequently utilizing these benefits. This insight helps product teams optimize processing rules, reassess coverage limitations, or even initiate targeted communications to reduce misuse or improve clarity. Then comes one of the most revealing visualizations, claims by customer age group. Here, the 60-plus group tops the chart at 13,632 claims, followed closely by 41 to 60 and younger age bands. This shows not only who is using your products the most, but also where age-specific challenges, like documentation gaps, digital accessibility, or medical needs, may require enhanced support. At the bottom left, we zoom into a detailed matrix view, claims by region and type. This is where your operational intelligence gets surgical. For example, we see that auto claims dominate in East and West, while health is higher in South and West. This allows regional heads and policy teams to understand exactly what type of claims are coming from which geographies and design interventions accordingly. And finally, we end with a monthly claim filing trend, a line chart mapping claim volume across months. Notice the higher spikes in August, October, and January, followed by a gentle decline through April. This trend tells your operations team when to staff up, when to tighten SLAs, and when to prepare for inbound surges. Together, This dashboard delivers more than just reporting. It delivers claim insight at scale. It helps you forecast financial exposure, improve regional response, align your teams, and ultimately design a claims process that's as agile as your customers need it to be. This is not just your intake dashboard. This is your early warning system, customer pulse monitor, and strategy compass, all in one view. Moving on to page 2, claims processing and status monitoring dashboard. This is where service execution meets operational accountability. The claims processing and status monitoring dashboard gives us a live snapshot of how well your claims engine is performing, not just in terms of volume, but in terms of clarity, speed, and customer fairness. Right at the top, we begin with the total number of claims, which stands at 748. This is your active universe, the complete count of claims flowing through the system, regardless of status. It's the foundational metric that sets the stage for measuring throughput, team capacity, and cycle times. Next, we look at 3 vital outcomes: approved, rejected, and pending. Claims approved comes in at 263. That means nearly 1/3 of the total claims have been validated, processed, and paid, an early indicator of operational success and customer fulfillment. Just beside that, we see claims rejected, which stands at 253. This number deserves immediate attention. Whether it's due to documentation issues, policy mismatches, or fraud concerns, each rejected claim is a potential dent in customer satisfaction and possibly an insight into what needs to change upstream in sales or underwriting. Then we have claims pending, currently at 232. This is your pressure zone, customers waiting, resolutions hanging, and service perception in the balance. For claims leaders, this number is more than just operational backlog. It's a customer experience hotspot. It demands daily triage and resource prioritization. Moving into performance breakdowns, we first explore the claims approved by policy type. Here, comprehensive policies lead with 95 approvals, followed closely by standard at 93 and premium at 75. This breakdown helps you understand where your approval processes are running smoothly and where certain policy tiers might be facing friction, either in eligibility checks or customer expectations. Next, we turn to the claims approved by age group, visualized in a donut chart. Interestingly, approvals are fairly balanced across demographics, with the 60-plus age group leading slightly at 28.52%, followed by 26 to 40 at 25.1%, and others around 23%. This balanced distribution suggests that no one group is facing overwhelming difficulty in getting claims processed, but can still uncover behavioral patterns that drive age-based claim design or outreach strategies. Now we move to time to approve by age group, paired with claim amount filed, one of the most telling combinations on this page. Here, we see that the 18 to 25 age group has the longest approval time, marked at 5 units, possibly reflecting younger customers' struggles with documentation or digital engagement. At the same time, the 60-plus group has one of the shortest approval times, despite also filing the highest claim amount, nearly 14,000. This contrast suggests that older policyholders may be receiving prioritization or simply have more predictable documentation and claim patterns. Meanwhile, middle age groups, 26 to 60, show approval times hovering around 4 units, with moderate filed amounts, giving operations teams a signal that this may be the most stable segment in terms of efficiency. And finally, we zoom into the pending claims by claim type, a clear operational flag. Auto leads with 66 pending claims, followed by health at 60, life at 55, and travel at 51. This isn't just a list, it's a prioritization tool. High pending volumes in auto, for example, could signal complexity in vehicle assessments, while delays in health or life may point to issues with medical documentation or policy interpretations. This chart helps processing teams, quality heads, and CX managers target which lines need workflow tuning, staff support, or even automation interventions. Interactive filters along the side, such as claim status and claim severity, allow each stakeholder to drill down further. Whether you're a compliance officer looking only at high-severity pending claims, or a team lead focused on rejected medium risk cases. This dashboard gives you the filtering power to act fast and act focused. To sum it up, this page isn't just about tracking claim volumes. It's about enabling accountability, restoring customer trust, and ensuring that every claim moves with fairness and speed. Because in insurance, every claim isn't just a number, it's a moment of truth. Page 3, Insurance Claims Summary Table, where strategy meets precision. Welcome to the Summary Table, your financial control tower for insurance claims. But this isn't just a table of numbers. This is your central command post, where operations meet financial performance, and every data point tells a story about product behavior, payout strategy, and risk management. Each row represents a combination of claim type and policy type, whether it's auto comprehensive or life premium, while the columns capture the key measures that define your claims engine: claim amount filed, approved amount, claim payout amount, and total number of claims. Even more powerfully, this table lets you compare actuals versus forecasts side by side, giving you a built-in tool for performance tracking, planning, and recalibration. Let's unpack what this table is really telling you. Start with claim amount filed. This is your top-of-funnel risk, the amount customers have claimed. Whether it's auto standard at 4.6 M or travel standard also at 4.6 M, this figure reflects the initial demand pressure on your claims organization. It answers, where is value being requested? And are some policies generating higher than expected exposure? Next is approved amount. This is what your team has validated as payable. This is the point where risk has been assessed and greenlit. Notice how auto comprehensive, for instance, shows 0.7 M approved out of 4.2 M filed. That's a 16.7% approval rate, raising questions about documentation readiness, fraud filters, or policy exclusions. From there, we move to the claim payout amount, which reflects actual disbursement. In this case, all approved amounts and payout amounts are in full alignment, meaning your payment engine is flowing seamlessly once a decision is made. This parity is a good sign. It shows that once approvals are granted, your back-end execution is prompt and clean. The next key metric, total number of claims, is consistent across the board at 748. This uniformity is likely due to aggregation across versions or mock data. But what matters is that this column lets you correlate volume with value. If, say, Life Standard has the highest claim amount filed, 5.2 M, but the same count as Auto Premium, 3.6 M filed, then you know you're looking at higher value claims, not necessarily higher claim frequency. Now what gives this table real strategic punch is the version comparison, actual versus forecast. Every metric in this view has a forecast mirror. That means you're not just looking at performance, you're measuring it against expectation. For example, health premium shows 3.8 M filed, 0.7 M approved, and 0.7 M paid, all perfectly aligned with forecast. That's operational consistency. But if you were to see a growing claim approval gap in a future refresh, say, filed claims rising without a proportional increase in approvals, it would signal policy design issues, documentation complexity, or workforce strain. And that's exactly what this table helps you catch early. What truly makes this summary table intelligent is the data action capability embedded into it. Users can copy actuals to forecast with a single click, allowing real-time simulation. Want to test how increasing approvals for travel premium from 1.3 M to 1.5 M would affect payout exposure? You can model that instantly. This table is more than a snapshot. It's a scenario playground for planners, actuaries, and operations heads. It helps you track claim trends across products and tiers, detect underperforming policies or overexposed claim types, run what-if analyses directly from operational data, and align payouts with premium strategy in real time. In short, the insurance claims summary table turns your policy and claim data into a unified, actionable dashboard, helping you connect business outcomes to day-to-day claims activity and paving the way for smarter, data-driven decisions.
It's not over yet. SAC also allows the export of data from individual charts or entire dashboards from SAP Analytics Cloud, ensuring that your data insights are easily shareable and accessible to your intended audience. It is a useful feature for sharing insights and reports with stakeholders who may not have direct access to SAC. We can export into Excel, then show and extract table data into Excel, and finally, export the dashboard as a PDF. Models in SAC define how data is organized, stored, and processed, enabling users to build accurate and insightful reports and dashboards. They support a wide range of features, from data integration and preparation to advanced analytics and collaboration, enabling users to create comprehensive and insightful analytic solutions. They are flexible as we can add additional fields as per the customer's requirement.
For information on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact VASPP Technologies.